Today, we're announcing some new updates for the GitHub Copilot CLI that bring the GitHub platform right into your terminal. Let's check it out. This is a calendar app that my friend Cassidy built where the entire state of the calendar lives in the URL. So you can just send the URL to someone and they've got your calendar. And I'd like to add drag and drop to reorder these event groups here in the sidebar. So I'm going to go ahead and fire up Copilot. And right away, you'll notice the new GitHub theme. So this is the color palette of github.com now in your terminal. And these tabs across the top are new. These show you your issues and your PRs for this repo, as well as all of your gists. So we can tab to move between them, or we can just click. You can do that too. So let's go ahead and open up a new issue for the drag and drop. Okay. Now I'm going to head to the Issues tab here. Now by default, it shows only my issues, but pressing A shows all of them. And there's the one we just created. So let's hit O to open that in the browser. And let's go ahead and assign this to Cassidy, and hopefully she adds our feature request.
Drag and drop? That is a bold ask from someone who didn't write the app, but I like it. I am going to use the TUI and tab over to issues, and I can hit enter to actually look inside of this. And if I wanted to actually add the issue number to the chat, I can hit the letter C, and it just works, and that's all we need. And then I can send it off and just let Copilot handle the entire thing and hit enter right there. Now I'm waiting, I'm making sure everything is implemented. I went and filled my water bottle. And now we are done. Let's test it in the browser. I'm gonna open it up and see these drag handles, try dragging it. It looks like that works, and because the state of this app is in the URL, let me copy and paste that in a new tab, and the order persists. Let's go. We can now create a PR with just a slash command. I'll head back to the terminal. Now we can create a PR with just /PR create, and Copilot handles the rest. Now, once that's done, which it looks like it is, I can tab over to the pull requests tab, and there it is. I'll press O to open it in the browser, and there it is. I will assign Burke to it because he wanted that feature. He can review that code.
Wait, that's not how this is supposed to work. I open the issue, someone else does the work, I take the credit. Isn't that the system? All right, I can handle this. So I'm going to go over to the pull request tab, and here's Cassidy's PR, and I'll press C to go ahead and add it to the chat. And I'm just going to have Copilot go ahead and review it. Copilot summarizes the changes in this PR and says that it's ready to merge. It's music to my ears. Let's go ahead and merge it, and to do that, we just ask. That's the new GitHub integration in the GitHub Copilot CLI. You can use that starting today. We've always wanted to make it easy for humans to collaborate with other agents, but now, and more importantly, it's easier for humans to collaborate with other humans.